are all doing well. In the previous class, I have taught you about pronoun and the variations of it. In today's class, I'll teach you a very important part of parts of speech, and that is an adjective. Okay, this is very simple and very easy to understand. So let's start with adjective and the variations of it with example. Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or adds to the meaning of a noun. Like, it's always a describing word of a noun. It denotes quality, quantity, condition and degree and number of a noun. Like, suppose if I say, this is a cat. We are saying just a simple sentence and cat is a noun here. Okay. Now, if I describe the cat in this way by saying, this is a black cat, we are just defining the cat or describing the cat by mentioning black. Now, if I say, this is a soft black cat, okay. So, this soft and black, we are describing the cats by mentioning the soft and black, these two words. And these two words are known as an adjective. Now, in English grammar, there are 8 kinds of adjectives. Now, what are they? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, then distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, emphasizing adjective, and an exclamatory adjective. Now we will describe each and every adjective with a simple definition and examples. Let's start. Now first we will discuss about adjective of quality. What is that? This adjective shows the nature or kind of a noun for a person or a thing. If I say, he is an honest man, so I am describing the man by saying honest. So here honest is an adjective of quality. If I say he is a very good footballer, so here good suggests an adjective because I am describing the footballer by saying good. If I say she is a very good singer, so I am describing the singer by putting an adjective over here which is good. So all these are adjective of quality. The main characteristic of adjective of quality is we often put the ordinal numbers first and the cardinal number after that in a sentence. Like if I say, she has read the first 3 stories from the textbook. See, here I am mentioning first before 3. Like, what is ordinal numbers? Like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, which always mentions the position of an object. And what is cardinal number? The numeric numbers, the numbers which we use like 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are known as cardinal numbers. Okay. Like if I say, I have read the last 4 stanzas. Okay. So here I am mentioning the last in front of 4. So I am mentioning the sentence like this. I have read the last 4 stanzas. Okay. So this is the special characteristic of adjective of quality, that we always put the ordinal numbers in the first position and the cardinal numbers after that. Now the next one is adjective of quantity. What is that? This adjective shows how much is the quantity of a noun. Like for example, if I say, there is some rice on the plate. Here I am mentioning the rice with the quantity by mentioning some over here. Like if I say, I ate little rice. How much rice I have ate? I have only ate little rice. So here I am mentioning the quantity. So this little, some, these are the adjective of quantity. Like if I say, there were few students in the class. So I am mentioning the quantity of the student in the class which were few. If I say, there are plenty of mangoes over the table. So I am mentioning the quantity of the mangoes by saying plenty. Now the next one is adjective of number. What is that? This adjective denotes the exact number of noun. For example, if I say, I have 2 hands. How many hands I have? I have 2 hands. So here hand is a noun and we are mentioning the adjective 2 by describing the hands, that I have 2 hands. Like if I say, she stood first in the class. Okay, here first also mentions adjective of number. For example, the adjective of number are first, second, third, two, three, four, many. These are all adjective of number over here. Now the fourth one is demonstrative adjective. What is that? A demonstrative adjective always point out or specify a noun. Like if I say, these mangoes are sweet. So I am mentioning the mangoes, the qualities of the mangoes by specifying it by saying these. So here these is a demonstrative adjective. If I say, this is a beautiful house. So I am specifying the house, the beautiful house by saying this. The examples of demonstrative adjective are this, that, these, those. Now the fifth one is distributive adjective. What is that? When, each, every, either, neither used with noun at one time or separately. For example, if I say each of the two girls is beautiful. So here we are mentioning the girls by saying each. We are describing the two girls by mentioning each. Okay, by saying each separately. Like if I say every one of the 10 boys is hardy. So here we are describing the 10 boys at one time by using everyone. Now the sixth one is an interrogative adjective. What is that? WH words such as what, which, whose, if used with nouns asking questions. For example, if I say, whose pen is this? Okay, I'm just making a question over here. Whose pen is this? Which team will you select? So here whose, which are all interrogative adjective. Now the seventh one is an emphasizing adjective. What is that? This kind of adjective always emphasizes a noun. This always emphasizes statement. Like for example, if I say, she is my own sister, I can just leave the sentence by saying, she is my sister. But I am mentioning the own to just emphasize the statement. She is my own sister. Like, she was born on this very day. I can leave the sentence by only saying that she was born on this day, but I am specifying or I am just emphasizing this sentence by mentioning very. For example, very own are the most emphasizing adjective over here. Now the last one is an exclamatory adjective. An exclamatory adjective are used with nouns to indicate strong emotional utterance. Like we generally use what over here by mentioning this strong emotion within us. Like if I say, what a blessing, what a beautiful rose it is, what a cute baby. So in every sentence we are mentioning what to express our emotional utterance. So particularly this what is known as exclamatory adjective. Now we will do some exercises based on these adjectives as per the instruction given in the bracket. 1. I saw this dash book. Fill in the blank with emphasizing adjective. The answer will be very. Number 2. Varanasi is a dash place. Fill in the blank with an adjective of quality. The answer will be holy. 3. He drank dash milk. Fill in the blank with an adjective of quantity. The answer will be much. 4. Dash a famous actor he is. Fill in the blank with an exclamatory adjective. The answer will be what? 5. He is the dash boy in the class. Fill in the blank with an adjective of number. The answer will be first. 6. Dash boy is stronger than Ravi. Fill in the blank with demonstrative adjective. The answer will be this. 7. I lost dash books. Fill in the blank with an adjective of number. The answer will be many. 8. Dash day shall be come. Fill in the blank with an interrogative adjective. The answer will be which. There was a dash fox. Fill in the blank with an adjective of quality. The answer will be clever. 10. Dash, an amazing place it is. Fill in the blank with an exclamatory adjective. The answer will be what? So today we have learned about adjective and the divisions of it. Next day I will come with new chapter. And secondly, if you love this channel, please do like it, share it, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the upcoming notifications. So as of now, ending my class, you all stay well, study properly. We'll meet soon. Bye-bye.